I'm Tanya, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can remove your skin tags easily at home. I've also previously shared a video on the same, and this is the second part of that video. In my previous video I've shared the top 5 ways, and in this video I'm going to share with you another 4 ways to get rid of skin tags easily at home. So for the first remedy, you firstly gonna need aloe vera gel. If you have the fresh aloe vera gel extracted from the aloe vera leaf, then it would be better, but I have this ready-made one, so I'm using this one. And the next ingredient which you need is turmeric powder. So to prepare this remedy, you firstly have to take half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl, and then you have to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder in it. Now mix both the ingredients really well to make a smooth mixture. And once it's ready, it will look like this. This remedy contains aloe vera gel, which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It breaks the bacteria in the inner skin and clears it out without any scars. It also detoxifies the skin to prevent blemishes of all types. It also contains vitamins, nutrients, minerals and amino acids, which helps to cure the skin tags, and the vitamins and minerals increases the immunity of the skin and helps to get rid of the tag without any marks and scars. And the turmeric powder is an antibacterial which helps to fight against the infections and purifies the blood to easily get rid of the skin tags. And now you have to apply this paste onto the skin tag with the help of a cotton ball and massage it gently, and then cover it with bandage along with the cotton ball. Now you have to leave it on all day and take it off at night, and after removing the bandage you have to wash your skin with warm water, and you have to repeat this process daily till the skin tags fall off from the skin automatically. Now for the second remedy, you're gonna need crushed garlics. Garlic contains selenium, proteins, sulfur, antioxidants, enzymes and minerals that improve the skin quality and helps to get rid of the skin tags easily at home. So what you have to do is, you have to firstly wash your skin tag area with water and pat dry your skin. Then you have to apply this garlic paste onto the skin tags and then cover it with bandage. Now you have to leave it on overnight and wash it off in the next morning with warm water. And you have to repeat this process regularly for about 3 to 4 weeks to completely get rid of the skin tags. Now for the third remedy, you're gonna need nicely chopped onion and salt. So you have to add a pinch of salt into nicely chopped onion and then mix both the ingredients really well. Now after mixing them nicely, you have to leave it overnight, and then in the next morning it will look like this. Now you have to strain it through cotton cloth or cheesecloth to extract the juice from it. Now you have to keep this juice aside till night, and then at night you have to apply this juice to the skin tag and cover it with bandage, and then you have to leave it on overnight, and then in the next morning you have to remove the bandage and wash your skin with warm water. And to see the effective results, you have to continuously apply this remedy for about 10 to 15 days. Now for the fourth and the last remedy, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and if you do not have vitamin E oil, you can even use vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E contains antioxidants which protect skin from UV rays and reduce the appearance of blemishes, scars and stretch marks. It smooths, moisturizes and heals the skin while clearing away impurities and toxins that causes the skin tags. So before applying this oil, you have to wash your skin tag with warm water and pat dry your skin, and then apply this oil to skin as a thin layer and then cover it with bandage, and then after few hours remove the bandage and wash your skin with warm water, and you have to repeat this process twice a day for effective results. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.